Hi, welcome to Fresh Educate. In this video, we are going to learn about new updates in Canva 2021. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get videos like this. Come to canva.com, you will see this interface of Canva. You going to see about download talking presentation. If you go to this presentation, you could see what are the templates available for presentation, like normal presentation, talking presentation, and the education presentation, and mobile first presentation. Now you're going to see about talking presentation. If you click this presentation, it will come to this presentation template where you can able to select a presentation from predefined template. That the option, if you click these three button, you can able to see present, download, present and record your presentation and share link. This present and record option has been available now in Canva 2021. Like if you go and see that how to make a video presentation, add a recording to your Canva presentation in 3 steps. What are steps? Lights, camera, record. While we are maybe limited in the way we teach, conduct workshops or train people for a new skill, the show can truly go on with video presentation. Likewise, which you go, step 1 is make your Canva presentation from the predefined template. You can able to make your Canva presentation and then choose a template you like, fill it up with the information you want to share with your target audience. Next, head on to the recording studio, and on the top of the right corner of the editor, click on present and record. Next, click on go to recording studio. And then if you can't find present and record, click on the 3-dot menu on the top right corner of the editor, which I showed earlier. Next, click on present and record under the recommended menu. Start recording. Set up our camera and microphone. Once you are ready, click on start recording. Get recording to record in 3 seconds. Tip, you can able to click pause, click resume, click end recording once you are done. How was it like recording the Canva presentation? You can go to this present and record. You can able to see that as mentioned, there will be go to record studio. If you press this, you can able to get the option of recording yourself using it, like setup camera and microphone. I have not give access to Canva to record my camera and microphone. If you have given access to Canva, it will be able to access your camera and microphone, and presentation can be easily done using this option. The next thing which we're going to see is shadows and frames. Let me design, select a template from this interface that I use this template Instagram post. We're going to apply shadows and frame for the images, which is the latest update in Canva 2021. But add your photos from these photos. Frames first. Let me select this photo from the images. Let's go to this effects. You can able to see bunch of options here. Now go to this and you can able to see shadows and frames. If you can't able to see this option above, if you scroll through, you can able to see, you may also like in there, you can able to see shadows and frames. Once you connect, it will be available at the top. So you're going to see frames, see all. You can able to see what are the frames which you can add for the images which you like to add for your design. Like if I like to add a phone to this image, let me select this frame. Now see how the frame has been applied to this image. Likewise, if I like to add this gold circle, See how that circle as frame has been applied to that image. You can able to apply through and have that download from this option. Next, we going to see about shadows from this. I'll go to these photos. Let me add this YouTube icon here. Go to the effects. Let me add that. Sometimes it is showing we having trouble frames. Check your connection. It is available here. If you go here and see shadows, it will be available here. Press see all. You can able to see what are the shadows which you can apply for your designs. You can see what are the options which you can able to apply for this design. Like if you go for glow, it has been updating here. Likewise, if you go for drop, angle, black drop, like this page lift, and then curve, such shadows can be applied for your designs. If you like, you can able to apply it and then go to this other download option which is available here. The next thing which we going to explore is smart markups, which also available here, recently update in Canva 2021. Like if you like to apply smart markup, first input your images or upload your images from your PC or other storage device here. I like to use that photos which is available already. So like you need to select the photo which you like to apply the smart markup. Then you come to this effects and already you can able to see smart markups. If you can't able to see smart markup, you can able to see down from here. A smart markup will be available here. You need to connect here, or you can able to go to canva.com/app. From there, smart markup you can able to select and apply for any designs. If you go to the smart markups, if you click the see all, you can able to see all the smart markups like popular one, smartphones, and then other computers, which is available in cards and other books and clothing. Everything smart markups is available here. This is recently updated in Canva. Like if I like to add here desktop 7 here, let me add here. I add selected from the smart markups. Now you can able to see the magic from Canva. See your design here, and the image has been updated in the smart markups, your design area. So you can able to see how easily the smart markup has been created from scratch using Canva. So you can also explore through these smart markups, which is usable for you to create any startup for your client or showcase the book cover to your for your usage. You can able to easily download using this smart markup. The next thing is which you going to explore is improve color styles in Canva. So go to this canva.com. I like to use the image which is already here, like I am seeing this one. You can able to change the color and style font of the design using style option from the more option which is available in Canva. So you can able to go to this more option and you can able to see there is styles. In the previous video in part 2 you could have explored the option chat. Now you can able to select the style here which is available here, styles. So you can able to see all. If I change this, you can able to see that the design has been changing as per the selection of the style from there. See how easily the style has updated. So you can also shuffle through the colors here, like first it will be one color, next it will go to the another color, which is 5 colors, 6 colors which is available here. It will automatically shuffle through this color which is selected from this style option. So you can easily able to design through some colors using the font icons also. Likewise, if you like to change only the color of the template, go to the color and select through this list of colors. From here, you can able to select any color. Like if you go for business pitch, see how is quickly it has been changing the color from here. Likewise, if you go to the font, you can able to change through the font also. Like if I like to add this font, the font will be automatically changed as per our selection. See, the font has been changed. Likewise, I like to add some other font, it will be changed. The improved color styles option has been updated recently in Canva 2021. These are the options which have been updated in this March 2021. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks.